which is the first step in preparing the land for crop production. A, layouting, B, harrowing, C, tilling, D, clearing. Our correct answer is letter D, clearing. So mauuna muna, no, yung ating sa land preparation method ay mauuna muna si clearing. After that is the tillage. After no is seedbed preparation and soil tillage. Ayan, at after that is magkakaroon na tayo ng sowing method. So depende yung sowing method natin, no? Pwede nating itanim by broadcasting or by drilling. When we say drilling po, eto muna, ayan, magke-create tayo ng counting circle. Wow, ano ba? Parang butas sa lupa, tapos maglalagay tayo ng seeds, no? Then after that, after a ruler or after 1 feet, no? 1 foot, no? After 1 foot ay maglalagay ulit tayo or magke-create din tayo ng magdidig tayo ng ground, then we have to put the seed. That is drilling. Plant population spacing, so magkakaroon na tayo ng thinning. After that is kapag buhay na silang lahat, we could have the water and nutrient management, the rainwater harvesting, and the drip irrigation. No, next is the intercropping and the crop rotation, fertilizer application. Yun na yun. Hanggang no, magkaroon na pwede tayong mag-intercrop or crop rotation, and pwede ding na ang pinaka-last ng ating crop production is harvesting and field handling. Ayan.